Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Yes. Now, what is the name of our subject? This is first class and subject is environmental studies. All of you read with me. Okay? With spelling. ENVI, RON, MEN, CAL, environmental. STUDI, yes, study, environmental studies. What is our subject name? Environmental studies. Read one more time. ENVI, RON, MEN, PAL, environmental, STUDIES, studies, environmental studies. What is our lesson name? What is our lesson name? Yes, my body. Our body. O U R, our DODY, body, our body. Yes, children, already you learn in this chapter, you learn body parts names and sense organs and our healthy and habits. Yes, these three things are you learn in this lesson. Now, all of you be ready with textbook. Open your textbook, page number 14. Page number 14. EVS textbook. EVS textbook, open. You know EVS subject textbook? Open. Environmental Studies, class number 1. Okay, this is our EVS subject and this is the textbook. Open page number 14. Page number 14. Okay, here what given children? A, first one. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Now, first one. Who has brown hair? BROWN, brown, HAIR, hair, brown hair in your class. Who has brown hair in your class? Dear children, you know your class members. Yes, your class, your friends. Who has brown hair in our total UKG class? Who has brown hair? Yes, boss, Sandeep. He has brown hair. Who has brown hair in your class? Dash. Who has brown hair? Sandeep. 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 You write S capital letter. Here you write S capital letter. Don't write small letter. Why? Because it is name. That's why you write first one is capital letter. Okay? Who has brown hair in your class? Who? Sandeep. He has brown hair. Okay? Next is second one. You write down Sandeep name in your textbook. First one. Who is the tallest? Who is the tallest? Who is the tallest boy or girl in our class? In first class. Who is the tallest boy or girl? Yes. Who? Narasimha. Punna Narasimha is the tallest boy in our class. Do you know? Or you forgot your friend name? Yes. Who is the tallest boy in our class? Narasimha. P. Narasimha. P after P full stop. Okay. Punna Narasimha is the tallest boy in our class. And third one. Who is the shortest? Who is the shortest? Here, first what given? Tallest given here. Now, third one is shortest. Who is the shortest boy or girl? Yes, boy. Who is he? Madhu. 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 Nakka Madhu is shortest boy in our class. See here, who has brown hair in your class? Who? Sandeep. Sandeep has brown hair. Okay, in our class. Next, who is the tallest? Who is the tallest? Tallest means who is tallest? Height. Who is tallest boy or girl? Here, I mentioned boy name. Why? Because in your class, boy only tallest boy. Okay, he has more height. Okay, Narasimha. P. Narasimha is a tallest boy in our class. Next is who is the shortest? Shortest means small. Who? Nakamadhu is a shortest boy in our class. Next one is who has curly hair? Who has curly hair? Yes. All of you sit properly. Look at the board. Hey, you sit only. Don't talk to your brothers and sisters. Punna Vijay Kumar. And now Vihan is also eating now. Why? Now 2:30 or 3 o'clock. Now you are eating lunch. You eat before 2 o'clock. Understand? Vihan. Note down. Who has curly hair? Who has curly hair in our class? Yes, Ritika. Ritika has curly hair. Ritika. Ritika, check your hair once. Chalamala Ritika ready. Yes. Who has curly hair in our class? Ritika. Chalamala Ritika. She has curly hair. Yes. You know. Just you remind. She has curly hair. And fifth one. Who is the fairest boy? Who is the fairest boy or girl? Boy or girl in your class? Dash I am keeping here. Who is the fairest boy or girl in our class? Yes, Shahjad. S-K Shahjad. S-K after keep full stop. And S-H-A-H-Z-A-A-D. Shahjad. Shahjad, are you there? Not it down. First note down. This completed after send a pic to me. Okay, don't forget. Otherwise, I will give absent. Now I am taking attendance. Shall I not? Now, this bit is completed. Afterwards, here see multiple choice questions. Here down. Multiple choice questions. See, second one is question answers. I will give afterwards question answers in pair notes. Now, third bit, see multiple choice. Here, first one. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Here, given four options. A, 1, OME 1. After, here given one box. Next, B, 2, TW go. So after, here also given one more box. And C, 3, TH REE. Again box. D. Last one is none of these. Here also given box. Here multiple choice. Mean which one is correct? You keep the tick mark in that box. Here this is correct. Now A is correct means you keep the tick mark in this box. Okay. B 2 is correct means you keep the tick mark in that box. Okay. Here question is how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Punna Harsha Sai. Harsha. How many eyes do you have? Yes, Nikat. Very good. We have 2 eyes. Where is 2? This is 2. It is correct? No. Here B is. This is correct? Correct? Yes, very good. TWO2. We have 2 eyes. Here ONE 1. Here given ONE 1. This is wrong. Here TWO2. Here THRE 3. You have 3 eyes? No. These are also wrong. None of these. This A, B, C total wrong here given. C. Means here 1 is wrong, 3 is wrong. Here what is correct? 2. 2 is correct. This box keep tick mark means right. Keep like this. Option B is correct. Do properly. Next, second one. How many fingers are there in each hand? How many fingers are there in each hand? How many fingers are there in each hand? Each hand means one hand. We have 2 hands. 2 hands total how many fingers? 10 fingers. But here what he asked, how many fingers are there in each hand? First one, A, options. A is 4. B, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. C, 6. D, none of these. How many fingers are there in each hand? Each hand means one hand. How many fingers? How many fingers are there? Count once, count. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here, first A is 4. B is 5. C is 6. D is none of these. Which is correct? A, B, C, D. Which is correct? Which one is correct? Yes. B is correct. Why? Because you have 4 fingers. No. You have 6 fingers. No. 5. Yes. We have 5 fingers. That's why you keep tick mark in this B box. And third one. We use our hands to. Here A is right. B. Hold things. C. Both. Both means two. A and B. D. None of these. We use our hands to. Now, how to write? I can write with my hands. Now I write with my hands. And I hold the book. How? With legs? No. I hold the book with my hand. Yes? Me here. First one is right. W-R-I-T. Right. Right is this one correct? And hold things. Hold things. Means now I hold the book, textbook. Yes? This one also correct. Here see. Both means A and B. We can write with our hands. To write and hold things. Means both is correct. C. C is correct. Keep tick mark in C. And fourth one. We all are different from one another. Different from one another. Different from one another. Similar to one another. Similar to one another. I am going to be similar soon. Going to similar soon. And D. None of these. See children here, we all are. We all are means from suppose in our class your faces all your friends faces your faces are same equal. No. How to identify you are Ritika, you are Viharaj, you are Satvik, you are Karthik, you are Sandeep. How to identify? We identify when we see your face. And here, first one is different from one another. And different from one another means you and your friend is different. You have different faces. Yes, you have different face and your friend have different face. And here, similar to one another. Similar to means same. Similar to one another means same. Going to similar soon. Going to similar soon. Means this is also wrong. None of these. Means here which one is correct? Different from one another. First one is correct. Different from one another. Last. Fifth one. We use the following to walk and run. We use the following to walk and run. A. Eyes. B. Arms. C. Hands. D. Legs. How do we walk and run? With our eyes? No. With our arms? No. With our hands? Hands to what? No. With our legs? Yes. We walk and run with our legs. D is correct. Okay, children, complete your textbook from these bits. And first bit and say A bit and C bit. Complete and send to me. And yesterday's homeworks also so many members did not complete. What happened to you? I don't know. But complete your homework. When I give the homework, complete and send to me. Okay? Thank you.